in the quiet town where trains pass by, underneath the endless sky. We met where the railways blend at Cedar Ridge, my dear old friend. Memories linger at Cedar Ridge Station, where hearts and dreams find their destination. The whistle blows, the trains depart, but you'll always stay in my heart. Morning mist and the evening glow, whispered secrets only we know. Tracks that lead to lands afar, yet here we found who we are. Memories linger at Cedar Ridge Station, where hearts and dreams find their destination. The whistle blows, the trains depart, but you'll always stay in my heart. Waving goodbye, tears in our eyes, the echoes of laughter, our final goodbye. Time may pass, but the moments remain at Cedar Ridge, where we broke the chain. Memories linger at Cedar Ridge Station, where hearts and dreams find their destination. The whistle blows, the trains depart, but you'll always stay in my heart. So here's to the day we won't forget, at Cedar Ridge, where our paths were set. Though we've moved on in different ways, the station's memory forever stays. So here's to the days we won't forget, at Cedar Ridge, where our paths were set. Though we've moved on in different ways, the station's memory